Hi, good morning. Just a quick take on the market. Last week it was more of a sell rally kind of a market as we have been maintaining for a couple of weeks. That at all-time high kind of a level, and when the market has rallied so deeply from 7900 kind of a levels to 9200, profit taking was expected, and as the earnings are rolling by, some profit taking activity is happening. Earnings expectation was, on IT space, we were having a muted expectation, and same has been played out. The earnings were not so good. And what was the IT earnings going forward, or the growth visibility going forward, is the currency appreciation which has taken place. So we don't find any meaningful, trend reversal into the IT space. We expect that any bounces will be sold into, and that will create a pressure on the index, on the Nifty and Sensex as far as IT stocks are concerned. Same is the case with the pharma space. They have been taking a good hitting by the traders and investors, as more and more panic button set by US FDA is getting triggered. Last week it was Sun Pharma, today morning it has been Divi's Lab, Dr. Reddy's. All sorts of news flow, wrong news flows on US FDA has been rolling out. And to add to the further pressure has been the currency appreciation. At rupee at 64.65 already makes a dent of around 4.5 to 5% on the earnings of all the export-oriented companies, be it IT, pharma, textile, auto ancillaries, and the like. So that will be having a heavy pressure on the index level. They constitute a good weightage on the index as well. Barring that, private banking space has delivered a very good set of numbers along with the NBFC space. IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank, SDFC Bank all came out with stellar set of numbers. But had Sheen been taken off from the private sector banking space was a one-off provision being made by related to one single entity by IndusInd Bank and Yes Bank. However, both the management is confident that this will be recoverable very soon in near future. Bank management even said that in quarter one, this NP of around 340 odd crores would be recovered. In the books of Yes Bank, it is around 911, 12 odd crores. So even both of them are confident that things will fall into place, and this NPA provision which they have made will be reversed. So trading correction happened, and that has been being bought into by the traders and investors in the market. SDFC Bank, in spite of a very high base, they continue to come out with stellar kind of a performance, and the guidance and the outlook remains very positive on the Indian economy. The same has been voted, or more, weight of evidence has been given by the numbers of ACC Cement. They also came out with the numbers last Friday. The numbers were very good. Volume growth as well as realization traction both was seen in their numbers, and that's been very positive. After 3 quarters of continuous volume degrowth, we saw eventually growth coming back into the play. They have a capacity getting installed and commissioned in East India, which helped in the volume growth of the cement companies. But overall, on the cement space, we think as infra, incremental government, expenditure infra builds up. At the same time, the push given to the low-cost housing sector is again tier 3, tier 4 kind of a cities housing activity has been picking up. So demand of cement will be there, and the companies will be in a bargaining power to pass on the increase in the input cost as our blended realization goes up. So overall, net it's good positive for the cement companies, and that also speaks very well for all the economic growth which we have been noticing. This week it will be a heavy week. Reliance Industries will come out with their numbers today evening, that is on Monday. Followed by in the week you will have Axis Bank and Kotak Bank, the two private banking majors will be reporting their numbers. Axis Bank numbers would be looked into very specifically because last quarter they had a good asset quality concern popping up, which was not there for quite 2-3 years. So this quarter the numbers will be watched keenly as far as fresh slippage is concerned. If there is no meaningful dent, then I think for the private banking space, it will be only up and up because the economy has been picking up and most of the banks have been delivering good set of numbers. So that would be a very critical numbers to watch out for in the private sector banking space. Reliance Industries, we expect a flattish kind of a number. On GRM front, it will be a marginal sequential decline both on quarterly on yearly basis. Petchem would be more or less on a constant basis. Some delta from the new plant naphtha cracker which they have set up in Gujarat, that will come into play. Much weightage will be given to the guidance they give on the Reliance Jio. So outlook on that, when the break-even levels on the EBITDA and PAT is being achieved, we will watch closely. The price is already very high, 1400 plus kind of levels Reliance is trading on. And depending upon the guidance, we will again rework our earnings estimate and the fresh valuation of the Reliance Industries. Overall, to sum it, again a earnings heavy week, market is still heated up. Today also it's trading, this morning is trading high around 30-40 points of gain, around 9150 kind of a level. This week also happens to be FNO expiry week. What we expect is 9100 plus minus 50 points should be the June in which the FNO expiry should happen. Good earnings will have traders taking profit into the play. Bad earnings will be, very badly punished. But overall, given the BFSI space is doing well and infra, metal, capital goods space is doing well, they will balance out the negativities of IT and pharma. So index level, not much of an action. As I said, expiry 9100 plus minus 50 point, and market will continue to grind and consolidate in this region. Further trend of the market we will get by the first week of May, when even the monsoons are more clear. So expect for a consolidated form of index, activity, stock specific activity, BFSI, infra, metal, construction, capital goods, auto and auto ancillary. You will see the buying activity happening. That is all. Thank you.